Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Notifications. Then select App Notifications at the top and click on the sorter next to one of your apps from which you don't want to receive them. In my case, Call of Duty. So now when I click on this sorter next to it, all notifications from Call of Duty are blocked. If you wish to enable them, click on the same one. But you can also just tap on one of your apps over here and manage notifications by tapping on this sorter next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!